Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg, and this is a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. You're looking at a Simrad display, the dash with the tilt helm, Fusion stereo system, the brand new Mercury shift. You have the seat with the bolster up, captain's seat with the bolster down. Tan infinity woven flooring, glue down sea deck on the transom, a black Mercury 200 ski pylon, sunpad off the transom, this aft seat, nice molded in cooler. There's your carry-on cooler. In the back here, I like to call it the trunk. A lot of area where if it was an IO, that's where the motor would be. Lots of storage on this 21-foot Sea Ray. Storage under here. You have lockable glove box. The owner's pack is in there now. Storage under the port. There's the prop. This boat does come with the optional bow filler cushion. Anchor locker, sport tower, and there you have it. This is a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Thank you.